Hello, today we will talk about a new list of automotive products. Today's video is about
cleaning cloths.
Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to get latest videos from our amazing channel.
When you need great quality at an affordable price, look no further than Microfiber economy towels from Microfiber Wholesale. These excellent all-purpose cleaning cloths are perfect for practically any application, from the kitchen to the bathroom and everything in between. Our towels are reusable and machine washable, tested to last hundreds of launderings, and no fraying thanks to the 3-thread overlock stitching on the edges. They're available in 2 sizes and multiple color options to make color coding easy. Get your Microfiber economy towels from Microfiber Wholesale today.
This is the professional grade premium microfiber towel. It features a silk banded edge for scratchless detailing across your vehicle. It has a high pile side, which is great for removing water and spray detailers, and a low pile side, which is great for removing waxes and sealants. And it's available right here on Amazon.
Eurow micro wipes are a great grab-and-go cleaning tool. With 50 wipes per pack and a tissue box style dispenser, the ultra soft microfiber is perfect for all-purpose cleaning. Use them to wipe up dirt and messes around your home, car, or office. They're washable and reusable for quick and easy cleaning wherever it's needed.
Hi, it's Vance with Solid, and you'll be saying solid every time you use the Solid Plush microfiber cleaning towel. Let me tell you why it's the ultimate cleaning tool. Lint-free, streak-free, non-abrasive, and it won't scratch any surface. Paint, stainless steel, clear coats, you name it. Meet the game-changing cleaning powers of Solid Plush microfiber ultra cleaning cloth. The Solid Plush microfiber towel is perfect for indoor and outdoor. Everybody wants one of these. Even your neighbors want one. How can you not? But wait, there's more! The Solid Plush microfiber towel absorbs 10 times its weight in liquid. That means you can wipe up water or unsightly spills in one swipe. And our Solid microfiber plush towel doesn't just have one side, it has 2 sides. You believe that? 2 sides. One side with longer loop fibers designed to easily pick up dirt and debris. The other side with a shorter and tighter neck is excellent for polishing coffee or a string-free finish. You can wash and reuse the Solid microfiber towel hundreds of times without worrying about it shrinking or falling apart. Try doing that with your trusted paper towel. Non-abrasive. The Solid Plush microfiber towel absorbs 10 times its weight in liquid. That means you can wipe in one swipe. And our Solid microfiber plush towel doesn't just have one side, it has one side with longer loop fibers and tighter neck. Excellent finish. Without worrying about it shrinking or falling apart. And we promise the Solid microfiber towel will make cleaning simple and streak-free.
I just can't live without it.
Solid!
The Mighty Cleaner Super Soft Edgeless Car Towels. They are 12-inch by 12-inch. They are very big, they are comfortable, they are soft. They got long fibers, so it can actually reach the deep down surfaces. It can get into your vents, clean there. You can clean off any surface that you want. You could literally fold it up just like that, put it in your middle console, it shuts perfect, or you could even put it in your glove box. This thing is magic. Look at that. I have a lot of dust right now, and all I have to do is barely touch the surface and it cleans it. It gets it. And by the way, I'm just using this cloth. No cleaners, no liquids, nothing.